I will be starting my reading questions from this list of headings. So how to do this list of headings? Definitely I will be reading all the headings. I will try to understand its meaning, these meanings, as well as come out with 2 or 3 keywords. So activities of hackers and intruders, importance of internet, computer security and its features. Okay, so computer security, maybe this is not the keyword because everywhere you will get this word. So this is the title also. And its feature, the process of hacking, some process of hacking they may be explaining. How government, so government fight against cyber crimes. So government is also important keyword. The Morris worm, intruders can easily hack. How fire, so here this and hacking, how firewall performs, ex-hackers and fight against terrorism, secret of effective computer security. Okay, some secret is there. Okay, so now we have understood. Within 30 seconds you can read all the these headings, and then we will go to a paragraph. So this is a paragraph. Let's read it. In the span of July 1991-96, the internet users from commercial sectors, side by side I am doing underlining the things as well as circle the things. Sector had increased from 30 to 50%, 33 to 50%. It shows how the internet becomes an important factor for business growth. Okay, the size of the internet approximately doubles each year, and related security incidents have been running in parity. Though the malicious users percentage is less, the number of failed security incidents is significantly larger since the size of the internet is increased. Okay, failed security incidents are also there, but here overall from here to here they are just talking about internet, how internet had increased in these 5-6 years. So let's read the options. So activities of hackers and this, no, they are not talking about hackers. Importance of internet, yes, from the first line only they were just talking internet users from commercial sector had increased this and this, and the internet becomes an important factors for business growth and all. So we can just take importance of internet, but yes, we can read others also. Computer security and its feature, the process of hacking, no, they were not talking like that. How government is also not there in this paragraph. Morris is also not there, so this word is also not there. Firewall is also not there. Ex-hackers, secret of effective, no, only they are just talking about internet, importance of internet. So we will be just marking it second number here in this paragraph A. Okay, so let's do B paragraph. Read it. So this is my C paragraph. In network, the Morris worm. So Morris worm word was given in this, yes, but let's find what they are talking about. Morris worm was entered into the internet, which invaded, attacked and replicated itself in 1998. To fix this problem, both email connectivity has been shut down, but still the fix is email, so the solution doesn't serve the purpose. Consequently, in CERT with the Australian formed to tackle the worm virus. It means from here to here they are just talking about Morris worm. So how it had replicated and how they have been shut down, both email and connectivity, and so many things about worm also. So we can just simply select Morris worm for this B number paragraph, that is 6 number. Okay, now coming to C number paragraph. Okay, C number paragraph is little longer. So the problem with the internet security. Okay, some problem now they are talking is that malicious incidents are increasing in complexity. So it's good thing when you are doing reading, please improve your reading skills, I mean vocabulary skills. Increasing in complexity, this is also how they have used this word into this. The increasing, this is all negative things. The increasing availability of toolkits has become one of the reasons for it. Actually the toolkits are made for the computer system designers to guard and develop their sites, but it turns out to be helpful for those intruders to execute the complex incidents by using more routers and disguises. So is this anything matching with, let's read it, then we will read further. Hackers and so they have started talking, because it is negative things, and here they have started talking about this also. So intruders here also can easily hack, and here also. So we will focus on these 6 and first. And hackers also, let's read it little bit more. Here they have announced with the negative things and how intruders they are doing it. A US Department of Defense report says that incidents which have happened are less than 1%, 65% successful. One thing that we should keep in mind, that hackers, now same word is there, don't fit into the geographical administrative boundaries or time zones. The reason might be the geographical dislocated. Okay, so we have got correct word here, means matching is there. Activities of hackers and intruders, how they have done it. So we can just select this also, and this also we have selected. So for paragraph C it will be 1 number. Okay, so you can see this C number. Now D number paragraph. Now this is D paragraph. The key thing to understand here is that system administrators should get it right all the time, but intruder should get it right just once. Evidence will be easier to find for this. They have given example. A Bell Atlantic network was hacked by the teenager. As a result of his hacking, the computer crashed and 600 homes, regional airport and emergency services became without telephone communication for 6 hours. Punishment for this offense is as follows: 2 years probation, community service, and a fine of this. So here they are talking about how it was easily hacked by the teenager. So hacking kind of thing, process of hacking. So it is not, they have not explained process of hacking. Hacking they are talking, no doubt, but easier word is also, the evidence will be easier to find for this. So we can just go intruder can easily hack. So this also gone. So here for paragraph 1 2 3, no, this is for D, this is 7 number. Okay, now E number paragraph, let's read it. So here this is my E number paragraph. From the wake of September, government is there, started to take sincere action against cyber crime. So definitely you will be getting clue about government and cyber crime. So this is easier, I think, how government fight against cyber crime. So both the words we have got for this heading, but let's read little bit more. It is found that crimes are being connected to national security, which becomes a prime concern for government officials, and public took action faster. And cyber security is also here. So definitely I will not be reading more. We have got the answer for governments, how governments fight against cyber crimes. So for E number paragraph we have got 5th number. Now F number paragraph. Oh wow, it is also a very small paragraph. On the other side, September 11 events caused some ex-hackers to use their broad knowledge, skills and experience to coordinate with the security forces to help fight against terrorism. Okay, ex-hackers, they have to use their broad knowledge, skills to fight against terrorism. Okay, so some terrorism kind of thing was there. So ex-hackers and fight against terrorism. So how come such a easy reading is there? So questions must be different little bit. 9th number we can get it for F number paragraph. Now G number paragraph. G number paragraph, you can see this: computer viruses and hacking incidents. Okay, computer viruses hacking incident continue even after the punishment threats are increased. Long-term security measures which have been implemented by companies and individuals, not fail-safe. Firewalls are one of the prime IS security measures. So firewalls, here they are talking. So somewhere we were, how firewalls perform. So we can select this, but perform is also there, are one of the security measures. It filters, means they are talking about firewalls performance, the entering data and leaves the corporate IS. So firewalls have a number of advantages. So definitely So this is the right answer we have selected, how fireworms perform. So last answer is this 8th number.